In this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about MACYS or Macys, or just ticker symbol M, sitting at 2234. I'm going to start from a 6 month chart. And yeah, I'm going to use a 6 month. I can even go easily to the 12-month chart, which is still pretty good. But yeah, beautiful thing right here. So this was the demand area that we mitigated. And now we have the highs right there. If you come to the weekly chart, oh, weekly is a little bit more than expected. So monthly we broke higher, then we broke even higher here. Okay, and we broke hard there from these lows, tapped into something, and now expecting to for this to actually continue with these bullish moves because today we're 13.5% up. I'm just expecting these to continue like that. Or if that's not the case, we could easily be coming down once again and then still continue to go higher. This is my opinion. Again, nothing on the channel constitutes or professional and or financial advice. Have a wonderful day and